and he balled up his fists, leaned back, and headbutted me square in the nose.
Amber Heard has just made 5 huge mistakes during her testimony that will cost her the win.
In my head, instantly think of Kate Moss and the stairs, and I swung at him.
The 4th week of the former couple's trial concluded on Thursday as they battle it out over Depp's $50 million lawsuit against Heard. With Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's defamation trial now on a week's break after almost a month of explosive testimony, fans are pointing out inconsistencies as they rake over the information presented in court. And it's very clear that Amber has messed up big time during her testimony, which may hand Johnny Depp and his team victory over her in the trial. But what mistakes has Amber made, and will they ensure her loss in the case? Let's find out in this video. Amber's first blunder happened way before her testimony. Before either of the stars even made it to the stand, fans watching the televised trial were out in full dissecting force as they questioned an opening statement. Last month, Heard's attorney, Alene said the actress had used makeup to cover up her bruises throughout her relationship with Depp. This is what Amber carried in her purse for the entire relationship with Johnny Depp, said Bredehoft while holding a makeup palette aloft in the courtroom. In reaction to the statement, Milani Cosmetics released a video on TikTok in which it stated that its Conceal and Perfect all-in-one correcting kit, which it purports Bredehoft was holding, was not in circulation during Heard and Depp's relationship, which started in 2012 and ended in 2016. You asked us, let the record show, that our correcting kit launched in 2017. Milani's caption read on the video, which went viral and clocked up millions of views within hours. It was also used as apparent proof of a mistruth across social media. Take note, alleged abuse was around 2014 to 2016, got divorced 2016. Makeup palette release date December 2017, read the text added to the video. Bredehoft, however, did not claim that the specific brand or kit was the very one used by the actress. A user on the internet tweeted this in response to the news, saying, Milani Cosmetics going out of their way to prove Amber Heard literally lied in court about using their product to cover bruises because it came out years after her abuse from Johnny Depp. I am in a state of shock. If you thought the mistakes ended here, you are dead wrong. They are just beginning to pile up. During the first day of her testimony on May 4th, Heard recalled an instance when Depp allegedly held his dog out the window of a moving car and howled. Everyone in car just froze. No one did anything, she said as she took the stand. I too was torn as to what to do. Heard said she didn't want to cause Depp to react or drop the dog, a Yorkie called Boo. She described it as an eerie moment. Eventually, said Heard, she was able to pull his arms back into the car and get the dog safely in the seat. Since her testimony, video footage has been shared on TikTok showing Heard smiling while holding a small dog by the open window of a moving vehicle. A user getting angry at this tweeted, Amber Heard also stated that Johnny Depp held their dog out of a moving car window. See for yourself what the truth is. Ask yourself, if somebody could lie so easily, condemn their ex for something they've done, how much abuse is she blaming on JD that she committed? During her testimony, Heard also alleged that Depp was so jealous that she avoided doing scenes of sexual nature for fear of upsetting him. I had to bargain every time I got a script, she testified, per The Independent. She said Depp's alleged monitoring of her heightened her awareness of how I was dressing. What kind of behavior would I have? Did I have a sex scene in any film role she was considering? The actress said this led to her minimizing kissing scenes, adding she would change the wardrobe to tone things down. I couldn't have a sex scene, she added. It didn't happen all at once, of course. It was little by little. Countering this, a fan shared a video clip of Heard in the final dance scene of the 2015 movie Magic Mike XXL, in which she played Zoe. In the scene, Heard's character was seen enjoying a decidedly raunchy dance from Channing Tatum's titular lead, Michael Lane, which included him gyrating all over her during a performance. When promoting the movie at the time of its release, Heard was asked by Metro what it was like having Tatum's crotch waved in her face, leading her to respond, I was brought in, we shot it, and it was a lot of fun. The lies just keep on going and going, as Heard testified about one of the fights that she and Depp had allegedly gotten into. Jurors were shown the aftermath in photos per insider. Amid the blood-soaked bed sheets, broken glass, and smashed windows, a photo was shown in the courtroom of a guitar. One of the photos entered into evidence on Thursday depicted a guitar, Depp's favorite instrument, with apparent streaks of blood on it. When asked about it, Heard responded, "I've never played the guitar." In another TikTok video disputing this, a fan shared a clip of Heard strumming a guitar and singing in a snippet from her movie One More Time, which debuted on Starz Digital back in 2016. This is getting ridiculous at this point. And finally, the Kate Moss ordeal. Johnny Depp's lawyers were seen celebrating when his ex-wife Amber Heard mentioned British model Kate Moss in the courtroom. Amber has previously claimed that Johnny once pushed Kate Moss down the stairs and repeated the allegation in front of the court on Monday. It appeared that Johnny's legal team in his multi-million-dollar defamation trial had been waiting for Amber to tell the story to the court. In a video from the hearing, Johnny is seen smiling and his lawyers rejoicing at the mention of Kate Moss. Now, experts are speculating that this could favor Depp, as his defense can get the supermodel as a witness. Also, Heard's past domestic violence arrest in 2009 involving her former partner, Tasya Van Ree, can be admitted as evidence of prior abusive behavior as well. These speculations have started to make the rounds on the internet after the Aquaman star spoke about an alleged 2015 incident involving her sister Whitney, while referencing an alleged violent episode between Moss and Depp. Heard told the court on Thursday, May 5th, that the Pirates of the Caribbean star once tried to harm her sibling. She said she threw herself in the line of fire. She was trying to get Johnny to stop. Her back was to the staircase and Johnny swings at her. I don't hesitate. I just instantly think of Kate Moss on the stairs and I swung at him. In all my relationships to date, I hadn't delivered a blow. For the first time, I hit him square in the face. Heard had initially mentioned the Moss staircase accusation during the UK trial in 2020. At the time, she said, I remembered information I had heard that he pushed a former girlfriend, I believe it was Kate Moss, down the stairs. I had heard this rumor from two people and it was fresh in my mind. However, Moss hasn't ever spoken about it. After this recent particular testimony of Heard, a video of Depp's lawyer Ben Chu has gone viral on the internet that showed him celebrating with a fist pump, giving birth to a number of theories, with the user saying, Ben's reaction here when Amber Heard mentions Kate Moss is interesting. Is it because Amber has opened the doors to past relationships, so now they can bring her past relationships up? I truly think they've got something in the pipeline. Another user tweeted, I think Amber considers herself as more intelligent than anyone else in the room. She threw Kate Moss for dramatic flair and impact on the jury, not realizing what she had just done. Prepare for Farlow to come out swinging in her blog about this huge mistake Amber Heard has made. That's it from our side. Now we want to hear what you feel regarding the mistakes made by Amber Heard during her testimony. Do you think they will cost her the case?